Hello guys, welcome to this video. Today we are going to look at a case law on legitimate expectation. So the case that we're going to look at is the case of Education Secretary ex parte Begbie that took place in 2000. The facts of the case are as follows. The government funded a number of places in private schools so that children who could not afford such schools had an opportunity to attend them. The Labour Manifesto of 1997, that is Labour's set of promises, sought to abolish this scheme of assisted places. However, assurances were made that children already receiving assistance would continue to receive assistance until the end of their schooling. When Labour came to power, it enacted legislation abolishing the scheme. The claimant continued to receive assistance, but only until age 11. The school educated students until age 18. The claimant sought judicial review proceeding on the basis that the pre-election commitment gave rise to an enforceable legitimate expectation of an assisted place until age 18. So we see here that there is legitimate expectation of assistance. So this is what was held. The claim was rejected. There was no enforceable legitimate expectation arises where compliance with it would run counter to an act of parliament. So the judges said that there is no enforceable legitimate expectation where compliance with that legitimate expectation will run counter to an act of parliament. So Labour, so it is very important to note that essence of this case is that legitimate expectation claim cannot arise where there is a counter law or a counter or an act of parliament that really puts that legitimate expectation in question. Labour had acted almost immediately to abolish this assisted place scheme, and any ongoing assistance was really just a goodwill gesture. So it is important to note that this case explains that if a legitimate expectation exists, it can be quashed by an counter act of parliament, which means that parliament has the power to overturn legitimate expectation. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe.